Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 11. We are on starter unit. So this is language focus. So today we are going to learn correction words where, what, who. And then we have conjunctions and, or, but. So for the first part, activity 1, we have correction words where, what, and who. So activity 1, choose the correct words. So give an example. What's the answer to this question? And then we have number 1 here. So who or what's the new student in our class? So obviously this is who. So who's the new student in our class? So we circle this who. And then number 2, your friend from. So from, usually we will choose where. So remember, you don't circle this apostrophe here. So where's your friend from? And then number 3, so your name. So this is what's your name. Number 4, your English teacher. So this is whose. Number 5, so my school bag. So this is for the location. Maybe you want to find something. So where's my school bag? So we have number 5. And then number 6, the currency of that country. So this is what's. So ringgit is for Malaysia. So ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. So this is, maybe you don't understand why is the word here. So currency related to money. And then number 2, activity 2, complete the quiz questions with where, what, or who, and is or are. So we have auxiliary verb here, is or are. Then choose the correct answers. So we have given an example here. Where's the Formula 1 star Lewis Hamilton from? So he's from the UK. So we have the answer, the United Kingdom. So this is a famous race driver here. So born something around 1985, if not mistaken. So now we go to question number 1. So the capital of China. So obviously it's Beijing. So the answer is Beijing. Shanghai is another city of China, but it's not capital. So we have Beijing here. So for B. So this is, so you should write what is the capital of China. So what's. Because the answer is not, we don't have the word from here, so we choose what rather than where's. So what's the capital of China is Beijing. So this question asking just for the name, not from the location. So Beijing. So Kyoto is from Japan, a city of Japan. So Shanghai, just now I already mentioned, is another city from China. So number 2, we have this Elsa and Anna. So there, the stars of the film. So if you heard before the song Let It Go, so this is a famous song from the film Frozen. So this is Frozen. So we are using who Who are Elsa and Anna? They're the stars of the film Frozen. So number 2 is A. And then we go to number 3. So the Statue of Liberty is in the USA, United States of America. So we have C here. Okay, maybe you can write completely for this one. So we have Beijing. And then this is Frozen. And number 3. So because the answer is mentioned in, so we use where. Where's the Statue of Liberty? It's in the USA. So not from Mexico and not from India. And then number 4. So Maria Sharapova. So born in 1988. A gorgeous woman. So she's a popular. So this is in sport tennis. So we have this one A. So tennis. So because this is a person name, we use who is or whose. Maria Sharapova. So she's a popular tennis star from Russia. And then not basketball and not from cycling event. So we have number 5. So number 5, the currency. So what's the currency of the USA? So what's the currency of the USA? It's the dollar. So dollar, remember, is double L rather than single L. So yen is from Japan. So dinar, somewhere around Middle East. So Middle East and some part of the Africa. So dinar. So you can check the answer here. So 1B, number 2A, 3C, and then 4A, and then 5B. And then next we move on to activity 3. So activity 3, write questions using where, what, or who, and the words in the box. So write answers that are true for you. So we have your desk, your friend, your home, your name, your favorite film star or sports star, your favorite food or sport. So we have number 1, give an example. So what's your name? It's Celine. So I picked some simple phrases. So maybe your friend. So you can say it for number 1. So who is your friend? Or who's your friend? And then you can say my friend is. So Anna, for example. So shorter question and answer. And then we have maybe number 2. So I talk about your home. So where is your home? Where's your home? So I just picked a city from Malaysia. So my home is in, so maybe somewhere around here, Seremban. And then number 3, so maybe talk about your favorite film star or sports star. So you can say whose your, so maybe sports star. And then you can say my, okay, basically you can write longer a bit. So I missed a word favorite, so I erase it. So your favorite sports star. You can say my favorite sports star is, so maybe just shorter answer. I know it's Cristiano Ronaldo, so I just write as Ronaldo. And then number 4, maybe it's about your favorite sport. So you can say, what's your favorite sport? So note that this is, we add S here, so sports star. So here don't have the S, so favorite sport. So my favorite sport is it's, so maybe you like Dato Lee Chong Wei, so this is badminton. And then next we move on to another grammar part here. So we have conjunctions and or but. So number 4, choose the correct words. So give an example. I'm into skateboarding, but I'm not interested in cycling. So because it shows a different meaning here, so you use the word but here, conjunction but here. And number 1, so I really like photography, reading. So this is both hobbies, so we use the conjunction and, because it didn't contradict to each other, so it's the same group here. So it's one type of hobby, this is another type of hobby. So I really like photography and reading. And then number 2, where's your coat? I'm not sure. It's in my bag. It's in my room. So it's either one. So we choose or. So basically we study 3 conjunctions here. So and or and but, not 2. So we use or. So where's your coat? I'm not sure. It's in my bag or it's in my room. So either one. Number 3, I've got a notebook with me. I haven't got a pen. So this is from different group here. So we chose conjunction, but. So I've got a notebook with me, but I haven't got a pen. And then number 4, who's your favorite film star? Is it Jennifer Lawrence, Leonardo DiCaprio, So it's either one. So you choose all. So who's your favorite film star? Is it Jennifer Lawrence or Leonardo DiCaprio? So you choose. So this is just question and answer. So maybe yours is different. So number 5. So Emma has got a mobile phone. She hasn't got a laptop. So this is but. So Emma has got a mobile phone, but she hasn't got a laptop. So number 5, but. And then number 6, my friends' names are Karen, Jessica. So we have this one because names, it shows more than one, so you cannot use all, so you use N. So if you use N, so this is more than one person, so that's why we use a plural form here, names. So my friends' names are Karen and Jessica. And number 5, complete the text with and or but. So if you notice, so this is italic, this is no. So we have 3 conjunctions here. It's not typo. So this is an email interface. So we have here, so hi, my name's Nick and I'm 12 years old. I'm from Glasgow in Scotland. I've got a brother, his name is Andy. And then you stated, so number 1, but. So, but I haven't got a sister. So you use the word conjunction but here. So, but I haven't got a sister. Andy. So Andy and I. So Andy and I are students at Milton School in Glasgow. So next paragraph, my parents are teachers. And then you stated, but there aren't teachers at my school. So but there aren't teachers at my school. My mom is a Spanish teacher and my dad is a sports teacher. And the next paragraph, I'm into art, so sport. So number 5 here, and especially football. I like basketball. I'm not very good at it. So you use a conjunction but. What's your favorite sport? So is it football, basketball? So you choose all. So message me. So number 8, or email me soon. So from Nick. So this is an email interface. So message me or email me soon. So maybe it's using WhatsApp or other messenger app here. So that's it for this page. So we are on this page 11 of Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.